What's good, guys? Imagine you plan to buy a specific shoe style for yourself and then suddenly you come across the best possible deal on that particular shoe style. Isn't that cool? Well, something similar happened to me this week. I was actually looking to add some good leather shoes to my footwear collection, and then suddenly I came across an amazing deal and I grabbed it. And then I thought, why not create a detailed video to help you guys with some valuable information about these leather shoes that I bought for myself. So here I am in this video that is about unboxing Chelsea boots and styling options. Hello everyone, my name is Amit Pandey. I'm an entrepreneur and a sneakerhead, and I've been studying about shoes for the last 15 years now. Welcome to this channel Smart Kicks, and this channel is all about shoes. Irrespective of the fact that you are a man or a woman, leather shoes are an extremely important part of your closet. Chelsea boots are so much in style right now because of so many reasons. These boots uplift your personality and are very comfortable to use as well. Guys, please stick around till the end of this video because today in this video I'm going to cover various aspects related to leather shoes like manufacturing quality, outsole quality, comfort and styling options. I'm sure all these factors are going to be of great help to you whenever you are out to buy a new pair of leather shoes for yourself in near future. So without any further delay, let's go ahead and unbox my all new black Chelsea boots. These are Chelsea boots by Red Tape. I bought them from the Tata Click website, and yes, before I bought them, I checked all the return and exchange policies, size instructions, and specifically read the product details to ensure that my money was safe before making the deal. If you remember, recently I had done a video on how to smartly buy shoes online in India. Do watch that video for sure because I myself follow all those tricks to get the safest and the best deals when I buy shoes online. So these boots were for 7,000 rupees and I got it for 1749. Yes, you heard that right. I got it for 1749. That was a very good deal, guys. And look at them, they look sharp. Black leather boots never go out of style. The Chelsea boots date back to the Victorian era when it was worn by both men and women. In the mid-1950s, a group consisting of young artists, film directors and socialists started frequenting the Kings Road area in West London. This group was named the Chelsea set by the media, and they made the name Chelsea synonymous with a new way of living and dressing. This group, which included well-known fashion icons Mary Quant and Jean Shrimpton, started favoring the paddock boots, and soon they began to be considered the ultimate leisure accessory and hence were renamed to Chelsea boots. The design and invention of the Chelsea boot is attributed to J. Sparks Hall, bootmaker to Queen Victoria. There are a few things that are worth mentioning here related to these boots, so I'll go one by one so that you guys can have a closer look. One of the most influential reasons why these boots are still in trend is this portion that has an elastic material. This plays a very important role in easing the process of getting the shoes on or off. All you need to do is place your feet at the entrance, hold this heel notch and slide your feet inside. No laces required, no shoe horn, no jerks and no pull. Similarly, it's very convenient to take off as well. Also, if you check the inner sole, they have provided an additional layer of cushioned padding that promises a comfortable feel within the boots. Coming on to the make of these boots. Check the stitch work. First of all, it's done very neatly and the finishing is flawless. That reflects the perfect craftsmanship. The outsole is something that I will take a bit of time to explain you because the outsole is what makes or breaks a good leather shoes. A good outsole in leather shoes will decide one of the most important factors, and that is durability. Now these boots come with a TPR outsole. I wouldn't dive deep into the technicalities, but just to give you a brief idea about its benefits, TPR or thermoplastic rubber is a mixture of rubber and plastic. TPR outsoles have good elasticity that ensures durability and offers very good grip. And finally, we need to check the leather quality. It's genuine leather and has a good flow from heel to the toe. It's made from two single leather pieces that is joined just around the ankle by a machine stitch work that stands out because of its smoothness. Apart from the technical benefits that these boots offer, they are extremely versatile and can be clubbed with any casual or formal style as well. Their straightforward and clean design means that they can complement a range of outfits without clashing or seeming uncoordinated. So whether you wear them with casuals or a formal suit, these shoes can look great. Since I bought black color, I was clear that I'm going to use them for formal occasions only, combining them with a good looking, stylish suit. However, if I would need, I can also go for black denims combined with light colored t-shirt, which will be a good option for a weekend casual outfit. In case you are looking to buy these for casual outfits like denims or chinos or casual trousers, then you can choose to go for brown shade or tan shade, or even suede Chelsea boots look extremely stylish on casual outfits. Their sleek appearance helps your dressing give a more polished look. Now here we come to an important aspect of how to wear these Chelsea boots. There is a specific style of wearing these Chelsea boots, and that can't be compromised. Ensure that the leg of your trouser sits just over the top of your boots. That's the trademark style of wearing your Chelsea boots, because that's what will showcase your style knowledge and will also help you flaunt the elastic design on your boots on the sides. Overall, my take on these boots is very positive, and I consider it to be a very smart investment because they just don't offer you good durability but also upgrade your style statement. Moreover, when you get a decent classic Chelsea leather boots for only 1749, in which you're getting a good quality outsole along with a good inner cushioning and a very good quality genuine leather, then I think it is surely a good pick. At the end, I have two additional observations that I must share with you, which is going to be extremely helpful to you. So while I was ordering these boots for myself, I realized that these run one size bigger than their actual size. So if my size is 8 UK, I had to go for 7 UK to get a perfect fit. The second observation is that these styles are not specific to a particular gender. These can be worn by both men and women. Hope this video offered you a fair idea about Chelsea boots and will be extremely beneficial to you when you are out to buy leather shoes for yourself in the future. Please share it with your friends and drop your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel before you go away. I'll see you very soon in our upcoming video.